Hi everybody, I'm Nitya Khanna and I'm a senior intern at the Creations of Life. So recently we organized an event, basically two workshops, the mental health game workshop and and the Little Stars workshop at an organization based in Delhi named Limco. And I got this opportunity through the Creations of Life. So thank you, Tanushree ma'am. To talk about the workshop, I think I got most of my major learnings. I learned a lot from this workshop. And for me, basically, if I talk about myself, I was working with Limco as their event coordinator, and I was working at the Creations of Life as a senior intern. So I sat with Tanushree ma'am. I designed activities for all of the participants, and we worked on the material and what the flow of events is going to be and everything on this side. And whereas on the other side, with Limco, I literally I helped them lay down the carpets in the area. I designed certificates. I prepared refreshment boxes. So every little detail was also managed by me. So I think I'm super proud that I was able to do this, and I'm super proud of the team that I had with me on the Creations of Life side and the Limco side. So I'm really glad that we could make this a huge success, and thank you so much, Tanushree ma'am, for providing me with this opportunity.
Hi everyone, this is Sanya and I'm an intern at the Creations of Life. So recently I got a chance to attend a workshop with Limco, an organization. It is based in Delhi, and I got to learn many things, like how to organize a workshop, what are the skills necessary for the workshop, the materials required, and many such things. So I thank Tanushree ma'am for giving me this opportunity, and I would also like to thank the Limco for organizing such a great event and having us all.
My name is Anushka Gupta. I have completed my Bachelor's in Applied Psychology Honours from Amity University, Noida. I attended an event hosted by Limco and facilitated by the Creations of Life. The whole event was filled with fun and a lot of activities and learnings. We learned about communication, gratitude, importance of listening, and team building among others through various other activities. We also had activities on promoting independence and obstacles that were beautifully conducted by Tanushree ma'am. So many easy yet so important concepts were explained through such fun activities, which I feel is a great way to learn and remember as well. Lastly, I would like to thank the whole staff of Limco for supporting us throughout the event and Tanushree ma'am for always motivating and guiding us. Looking forward to more such experiences.
Hello everyone, I am Sachi Gupta and I was recently a volunteer at a workshop conducted by the Creations of Life under the guidance of Miss Tanushree ma'am. It was basically a combination of two different workshops which were meant for two different age groups of children, and it was conducted at Limco, which is an organization based at New Delhi. Personally for me, I was a bit intimidated initially because I consider myself as someone who is not so good at interacting with children, but due to the guidance provided by Tanushree ma'am, it was a very fun and enjoyable experience for me all in all, and I learned a lot from it. We had a training session some days before the workshop in which she taught us everything: what to say, what not to say, how to tackle the children at different situations, all the non-verbal cues that are required, and all in all it was a very fun experience. Both Limco and the Creations of Life had been planning this day since at least a month, and a lot of heart and sweat went into the whole process of organization and planning, and it was very well managed and organized. And I would like to thank Tanushree ma'am for providing me with this opportunity to be a part of such a fun experience. And
I met Miss Tanushree ma'am via one of my friends. Like, she approached me to be a volunteer in the workshop, and I'm like really glad and thankful that she did. because it was a very heartwarming and wholesome experience, and I learned a lot. I did not know that I could handle or like even tolerate kids to such an extent, and it was a very insightful event, and I could see that how important it is to be patient and learn about the younger generation that we have coming, how important it is to groom them, how important it is to teach them different life skills. And yes, like Tanushree ma'am was very patient. She had planned the workshop really well. It was a really insightful experience to see how such an event is brought to life, and how it is handled to the best potential. So yeah, I'm really grateful for the opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to any more opportunities that come my way. Thank you, Tanushree ma'am.
We are always busy in our lives that we hardly get time for self care. We as adults also get overshadowed by the daily stress we experience because we are bestowed with so many responsibilities, new and old, on us. This problem was addressed through this workshop. I was obliged to be a part of this workshop as it also helped children to live their childhood to the fullest and also helped them in perceiving the world as a positive one. I'd like to thank the organizers, the Creations of Life, and the Limco organization for making it a memorable one. Surely, I learned a lot from this event.